All right, let's cover two tricks that you can do on your LinkedIn page and profile to help enhance your brand and your brand awareness. As many of you know, I teach authoritative selling via LinkedIn, LinkedIn being the number one best B2B platform for finding leads, recruiting leads, hiring managers, new recruiting clients, as well as A player candidates. Sure, there's different channels out there that could work for you, but why would you ever leave LinkedIn? It is the number one spot for any recruiter to build a multi-million dollar business. Okay, let's jump into it. So, two cool little tricks that you may or may not be aware of. Number one is the resume builder. How many of you have done this and used the keyword functionality? I don't really care about the resume. We're not here to create resumes as recruiting agency owners, but we're here to put in some very good keywords for SEO purposes so that your clients and your candidates can find you on LinkedIn. And so this is how you kind of manipulate that. You simply go here, click on more, and then let's go to build a resume. All right, from here, let's create from profile. And let's just skip this. I mean, you can go ahead and put a title in if you'd like and fill it out. But for the purpose of this video to get through it, this is what you do. And the best part about this is the keyword check right here. So if you hit get, you put in a keyword here like project manager, get suggestions, and then all of these suggested keywords is what basically LinkedIn is telling you what you should pick to be discovered on their platform. So their algorithm aligns very well with what they're suggesting here. Anytime LinkedIn suggests something, you should absolutely leverage it. So all you would do is click some of these, and then you'd have your resume set up in the background or your profile. But the point of this is you're going to have keywords selected here that's going to help people find you better on LinkedIn. Okay, number two, let's go to your profile. So the way I get this here, this branding tagline on my name, again, you may or may not know this, but for those of you that don't, this is how you do that. Pretty cool. So as you see, teaching authoritative personalized recruiting. So for you, it could be your name plus what recruiting niche you're in, right? You could highlight that. And you just go into the pencil mark here and write your full name where it says first name with a hyphen afterwards. And then for last name, go ahead and put your tagline in. All right, guys, hope that helps.